passing PHP variables into JavaScript is really hard, but WordPress makes this really simple. We're going to be using a function called WP localize script, and this function was intended as a function that will help you to translate your theme or your plugin, but also it's really helpful when we're passing data from PHP into JavaScript. So we're gonna take a look at that. Here, before we close the function, we're gonna add WP localize script. And this one takes 3 parameters. And the first one is gonna be the name of the file that is receiving the variables that we want to pass into JavaScript. And I wanna pass this in the login.js that we have here. Then we add a comma. Next, this is the name of the value or the container of the information that you want to add. And we're going to call this one login images. So we are adding here the path for the images that we want to load. Next, you pass the information, and we're going to add an associative array. And let's add something like this. It's going to be a key value pair, so let's add theme path. We're passing the full path for our theme, so this is going to be a more dynamic way. And we're going to add get template directory URI, so we are passing the actual or the theme directory that we have here, ATW. And you can append something like login AMG, something like this. So we're passing this in this array, and we can open the login.js, and we can send the value to the console log, and we're passing first the login images, and then we add a dot, and we access to this theme path. So let's save those files and let's reload. And you can see now we have something like this. So we have the full path for our images. And this is going to be really helpful in the next video, where we add the images into this IMG folder. So we're going to take a look at that in the next video.